path is clear today. A good day for an adventure. I'll face whatever comes with a brave heart. Kindness is what makes the world a better place. We should always help others. Fear does not stop! Courage is taking the first step, even when you're afraid. I won't back down now. Shh, little one. It's okay, I'm here. Don't be scared. I'll help you. Shh, little one. I'll keep you safe. I stand firm, a guardian for the weak. No harm will come while I am here. I've learned that true bravery isn't about being the strongest. It's about being kind even when it's hard. I've seen how kindness can change everything. It's the little things that make together, we can make the world better. As I watch this sunset, I reflect on my journey. Through it all, these quiet moments bring me peace.
Hey there, little adventurers! We've got a story to tell you today. It's about kindness, bravery, and friendship. And it all starts right here. Subscribe now to join our adventure. Don't forget to like and share with your friends.